Is your Samsung phone showing the no SIM card inserted error and leaving you stuck? This often happens because of SIM card detection problems, turned on the SIM slot, or software glitches. It's important to fix this quickly so you can stay connected without interruptions. Don't worry, I've got simple solutions to help you troubleshoot and get your phone working smoothly again. Let's get started. Before doing anything else, try to turn on and off airplane mode once and see whether it is solved. If not, then try the following guidelines. Solution 1. Eject the SIM card and reinsert it. First, turn off your phone. Now remove the SIM tray using an ejector from the bottom of the device. Take out the SIM card from the tray. Wait for a few seconds. Now put the SIM card into the tray. Then put the SIM tray into the phone. Now turn on your phone. If it does not work, then change this SIM card and try another. Solution 2. Check your software updates. Go to Settings again, then scroll down. Now tap Software Update, then tap Download and Install. If you have any updates available, then install it. That's it, everyone. We've fixed the no SIM card inserted issue on Samsung phones. If this helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more easy tech tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. See you next time, and good luck.